Alright, this is Btw I did quite a bit this time around. For instance, I added different types of enemies. This one stays slow uh, as the waves progress. So this one's kind of like the default one. This one increases in speed as the waves go on. So they're basically gonna be like runners. I'll probably need to include a cap on their speed, but I haven't done that yet. Then I have a spitter zombie, one that will stop at a distance and shoot projectiles at the player. As well, I also completely redid how the weapons are made or or like spawned in and stuff. Because before I just had it to where all the weapons were present but disabled, and I realized that if I just continued adding weapons, it would probably impact the performance. So now I made it to where only the two weapons you're using are present, and then one will get destroyed and replaced by like the new one that you picked up. And I also placed the barricades, the ones you have to pay for to unlock the next room, as well as the zombie barricades that keep them out for a little bit. Uh, I I need to implement a way to repair them, but I haven't done that yet. But I set the waves to 10, so a lot of zombies will spawn. Uh, so I guess let me just show what I've done so far. I Yeah, it's wave 10, and I made it to where I started with 2,000 points. So yeah, this now some text, so I know what I'm getting now. I don't know why it's doing that. That's bug. But see that one's slow, the other one is fast. And it, of course, these things you can buy to unlock rooms. And then there's the spitter right there. It does like half the damage that a normal hit would do. Let's see. It's starting to get pretty interesting now. Of course, everything will need to get balanced. But I also increased the damage of the weapons, as well as I made it to where the sniper, uh, like the damage, the like penetration damage is halved for like the second one. See how that one didn't die. Uh, so basically, I should probably increase the piercing because of that. But I just felt like if it just did the same damage it would be a bit too powerful. Maybe I'll decrease how much damage is lost, and maybe make a third. I'm not entirely too sure yet because I still need to add new weapons, so I could have a catalog of weapons, see like what each weapon should be. Because I want to add a lot of weapons because I think that would be make it more fun. But that's also why I redid the weapon system. So next, what I need to do is, of course, add more weapons. Add any more enemies that I think of. Uh, See, I want to add a mystery box so I can select, or so you can like buy it and then you get a random weapon. Though I'll probably need to add more weapons for that. And eventually, I want to include like perks and upgrades. I haven't really thought about what those would be yet, but I think that's what like some of these rooms should have. So like basically to incentivize buying all the entrances. So and I just also just stated a thing. I will be adding like details to these guys, like sprites. I just have them as squares right now because I want to make the game like fun before worrying about how it looks. Especially since I don't really know that much about like animating and stuff, so I basically just leaving that for last. So see, there's a lot of guys now. Okay, I died. Okay. That was interesting. There's so many of them. Alright, yeah, that's about it for this devlard.